In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a two-way sync in Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or just seeking to enhance your workflow, having a clear understanding of two-way synchronization is pivotal. This feature allows your data to seamlessly update across various bases, providing you with real-time consistency and accuracy. First, you're going to start by heading over to Airtable's website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, simply open your web browser and type in airtable.com. Once you're there, you'll find a big sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. If you're not already signed in, this will direct you to a login page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Be sure to use the email and password associated with your Airtable account to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, click on Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you need to navigate to your desired Airtable base. This is where the magic of syncing happens. Look through your workspaces and select the table you want to work with. Just click on its name and it will open up the base for you. Once you have that base open, keep an eye out for the Share and Sync button. You'll usually find it at the top of the interface, and once you spot it, give it a click. Next, you'll see an option that says Sync Data to Another Base. This is the key step to initiating a two-way sync, so make sure to click on that. You'll then be prompted with a setting that allows data in the current view to be synced with other bases. You definitely want to enable this as it ensures your data is ready to integrate with other sources. Just click on the option and you're halfway there. Here's the final step to complete the process, and it's crucial for two-way syncing. You need to allow edits from other bases. This means any modifications made from linked bases will automatically update in the primary base you're working on. Navigate to the setting that says Allow edits from other bases and make sure it's activated. With this, your setup is complete. You'll have a dynamic interconnected system where all your data is updated concurrently. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to enable a two-way sync in Airtable. With this process, you can ensure that your data remains consistent across multiple projects or collaborators. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make full use of Airtable's powerful features. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment and maybe sync some test bases to see how it all works in real time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.